And that's what a Humber River fish look like. Pretty shallow river. Look at that. Salmon going upstream. Catch and release. Not good to eat, eh? The old mills. This is what wonderful Canada is. You catch such a big fish, but so much mercury, you can only have 4 inches a year. And so much dead fish too. See how shallow this water is? And there's giantest fish. And people sell this fish, fillet them, and sell them in store. But nobody knows it. But they're saying that we're only allowed to eat 4 inches. But I guarantee you see a lot of other people catching fish, selling in the market. Hey, a salmon go for 80 bucks. You gonna let one go? You guys didn't know that you could catch these things on Google Map. So every bridge or basically intersection, there's a camera that watches the river. Sometimes even your pathway, your bikeway, you're always being watched. You guys don't mind? You don't mind making a video about the Humber River fishing?
Oh, no, we don't mind.
Ah, thanks, bro.
Want to interview about it?
You sure?
Catching salmon.
It's 13 and a half?
13 and a half foot rod, yeah.
You caught anything today?
A couple salmon. Lost a brown trout.
A brown trout?
Brown trout, yeah.
Which one could you eat?
You can eat all of them, but salmon are pretty gross this time of year. They start to rot.
Ah, because the spouting, right?
Yeah, they spawn. They spawn and they start to rot.
I was like, someone told me only 4 inches you could have a year.
It's not great.
Not great, is it?
Right?
Ah, that's what I said too. Thanks, eh? What's your name though?
Nick.
Nick?
Yeah.
Thanks, eh, Nick? Logan Choice still. And the famous one-way bridge. 20 years ago, my daughter was scared of this bridge. And the favorite. Hey, Tiana, if you want to come find your daddy, I don't know if you remember, but your mom and I used to always come down there. I think your mom wanted me to get married to her. I just couldn't read sign. But now I know everything about women. So sorry, hon. Love you. So, the oldest penny was found 1837 in the Arrowhead. So I found something out of the relic too. A lot of history, right? That's what I want. I ran for the mayor, Logan Choi. The Haunted Mansion, the old mills. So Tiana, Elijah, you're just a baby. Adia, all grown up now. So she's the only one that will remember anything. There's a waterfall here that used to throw money. So hopefully you guys remember. Pretty lovely down here, guys. So this is where the mill is. Water used to come down here, that turn thing. Over here is a wedding garden. Water comes out of the park. Music. And I noticed something earlier. There's a rain there thing. See it? Antlers. It's pretty beautiful, man. Right? So imagine getting married with a bunch of guests. And dance floor. Which one would be the dance floor? People are still dining in. And then you have the narrow staircase. Pretty spooky. What is that? Courts. So I thought it was dining was courts. Yeah. Not rich yet, guys.